Guangdong Dehe Technology Company Limited, established in 2006, is a large-scale gas appliance enterprise integrating R&D, production and sales. The company is located in Gonghe Town, Heshan City, a beautiful gateway city in the west of the Pearl River, relying on the unique location advantage of the core area of China-Europe SME International Cooperation Zone, with convenient transportation and vigorous industrial development. The company's workshop covers an area of about 170,000 square meters, with a 3-story administrative office building and 9 workshops over 8,000 square meters. Since its establishment, the company has always adhered to the business philosophy of honesty, pragmatism, hard work, innovation and win-win. The company has accumulated more than 20 years of industry experience and has maintained a leading position in sales and market share with excellent product quality, innovative core technology, and high-quality customer service. The company has obtained ISO 9001-2015 international recognition, BSCI Business Social Standard certification, and Lowe's and Walmart standard recognition in large supermarkets. It has also been rated as Provincial High-Tech Enterprise, Guangdong Gas Appliance Engineering Technology Research Center with high efficiency and energy saving. The company specializes in producing high-quality gas appliances such as charcoal grill, gas grill, pellet grill, smoker and gas heater, and is committed to creating cost-effective products suitable for mass consumption and spares no effort in pursuing energy conservation and environmental protection. At present, the company has 9 production units, including 6 production workshops, 1 distribution center, and 2 finished goods warehouse. 6 production workshops are mold workshop, stamping workshop, welding workshop, enamel spraying workshop, and 2 assembly workshops. Each workshop is equipped with a large number of professional production equipment, equipped with professional mold production equipment and several sets of cutting equipment. Mold workshop has mold production area and cutting area. The stamping workshop is equipped over 100 medium and large punching machines, 4 robot stamping lines, dozens of 850 tons to 200 tons hydraulic presses, as well as a series CNC, automatic stamping, numerical control bending, and other equipment. Automatic welding workstation was made specifically for particle furnace robot in October 2018. The company became one of 2 manufacturers that have this special equipment in the industry. Welding workshop is equipped with a large number of special welding machines and more than 20 welding robots. Enamel spraying workshop has an electrostatic enamel line with traditional wet wire and a semi-automatic spray line. By the end of 2018, a new 800-meter-long automatic spray line has been built, equipped with a series of automatic box sealing machine, stacker and film machine equipment. 2 assembly workshops have more than 12 packing lines. The distribution center and 2 finished goods warehouse ensure the smooth operation of plant production. The production process is in perfect order. Using professional production equipment to make reasonable production arrangements, we ensure that the best quality can be delivered to the customer warehouse on time. The ITS internationally recognized standard laboratory and professional R&D team are also set up in the factory, which provides a strong guarantee for product quality improvement and research. Company's products have obtained CSA, CE, ETL, other international certification and approval of LFGP, FDA, PAH test. Products are exported to America, Europe, Africa, South America, the Middle East and other places, are deeply loved by consumers. Facing the rapidly changing market environment, Dehe Technology Company Limited will continue to innovate in manufacturing technology and equipment in the spirit of marketing products with craftsmanship and serving with awe, and strive for the goal of becoming a leading gas appliance brand Good quality. Made in Dehe.